Hey everyone, welcome back to MelBeezee Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new. Today for lunch I have L&L Hawaiian Bbq and I got a combo with short ribs and chicken katsu, and then there's rice and mac salad. I have my katsu sauce here. And then to drink I just have sparkling water. It's grapefruit flavor. I also have some sriracha just because. I don't know if I'll use it, but we'll see. Okay, you guys. I've been craving this for the longest time. So let's eat. I love mac salad. I should have got 2 mac salads and 1 rice, but so good. So good, you guys. So today is Friday. Happy Friday. TGIF. I'm gonna put like a little bit of sriracha. You guys can't see it, but there's a little bit of sriracha over there. I couldn't decide what to get, you guys. I really wanted Loco Moco, but then I also wanted all of this. So I just went with this. You guys, I'm so excited. It's the weekend. What do you guys have planned this weekend? I'm leaving for Michigan on Sunday. It's coming up. In 2 days, I'm leaving. So yeah, I leave on Sunday. I'll be back Wednesday night. And then Vanessa starts school on Thursday. But it's gonna be fully online, distance learning. And then on Tuesday, she has to go to school to pick up her textbooks and her laptop. So her dad's gonna take her. I guess it's gonna be all Zoom, right? And only 4 classes to start. I was really craving this the other day when we went to Chipotle. I think I said it in that video. This place was closed. You guys, I'm gonna do a mukbang with Ricky, so stay tuned. Who's excited for that? You know what, you guys? I can't believe it's already been 2 weeks since we got back from Disney World. I miss it. I want to go back. Yesterday I got these chips, these Lay's chips, the Nashville hot chicken. That was my first time trying it. Have you guys tried it before? Have you guys tried any of those new flavors? It was okay. It wasn't even spicy. And it kind of just tasted like wannabe barbecue. Vanessa said it tasted like chicken flavored cup noodles. What did you think, AJ?
Kind of tasted like barbecue.
I know, it kind of tastes like barbecue. The other flavors are Philly cheesesteak, carnitas, tacos, New York style pizza, right?
Yeah.
So good. Their mac salad is my favorite. So much of that. What do you guys like to get at Hawaiian barbecue restaurants? I can never decide. It's always hard for me because I want everything. It should be like a huge combo sampler plate. getting full. I'm just gonna finish this beef. You guys clean your bones like that? I do. You know what I realized? I didn't have any wings this week. No wings. It was not on our menu. But I'm also really craving banchan, Korean fried chicken. Maybe we'll get that before I leave. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay guys, I'm gonna save this chicken katsu for the kids. They can have the rest. I'm really full. That was so good. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.